Obviously this is not a tutorial, this is just me fucking about and making stuff because I have power to make whatever the fuck I want, so here I am making anime merch. Hello, very last minute editor Beth here. Just a quick PSA. This video is very messy. It was filmed in a lot of parts. So I actually did film an intro and then somehow or another deleted it. I think because I was going through a mass deletion of my phone. Sorry about that. But here's the intro from me and my baby. Isn't that right, Yosh? With your cute little tummy. Ooh. Bless you, you sneezed. Yes, anyway, enjoyed the video that I filmed in August and now it's February. You get what I'm saying, right? Okay, anyway, we'll continue. Won't we? So, welcome to my workstation, my very temporary, not for much longer workstation, for obvious reasons. So I've got everything designed on my iPad. I'm sure I added some cute little cutaways, but now is the fun bit. We're going to use my Cricut, which you can kind of see is back here. This is the best angle I could get, and we're going to go ahead and make it. So if you don't know what a Cricut does, essentially it takes materials and it cuts it for you into any shape you want. Not sponsored, although I really wish it was. And so these are some flames I did for a little handbag DIY, which will probably be up on my TikTok by the time you're watching this. I've also got my heat press, which is currently not on. We're just gonna leave it there for now because we're gonna be ironing on in a little bit. But yeah, so I typically don't buy the Cricut brand stuff because it's really expensive and you don't get that much. And honestly, you can find just as good alternatives on Amazon. So I brought this massive pack of heat transfer and they're all really good. I have found that this pack specifically is a lot better than any of the other ones. I think I paid about 25 and there are over 100 in here. As you can see, I've already used some, so that's odd squares. But yes, got Toga from My Hero Academia, and then obviously I've got the line out. The outline of the guys from Jojos, and yes, at first I thought I was going to do Jojo black, but I might do it in pink. Yeah, okay, so I've got my little mats, and the Toga one I'm going to do it in red. I've probably already said this 10 times, but yeah. This is the fun bit, because essentially, you've done all the hard stuff, you've designed it. Typically, I'll use Procreate, which is what I used when I created My Hero one. Which is what I used when I created the Jojo one. Just to outline it and stuff. So, what you want to do firstly is, I sense Tiger may try and interrupt our recording. What you want to do first is find out if it's what side is what, because I always get this wrong. So I like to find out which side needs to be facing me and which side needs to be stuck down. We're going to work on Toga first, and then literally, oh, I need to rearrange them. So Toga is going first. We do everyday iron on. And then you hit mirror. So because the little UA thing for some reason has gone in its old, it's trying to connect itself to another thing, so I'm gonna pop them all on the same one. You just do basic cut, because I only have one type of I don't know what they're called, heads, I guess, cutting tools. So yeah, I'm only using that one. I'm using the default pressure. I'm not too sure what the other pressures do. I suppose it just makes it easier to cut. But I'm not feeling risky today. Obviously this is not a tutorial, this is just me fucking about and making stuff because I have power to make whatever the fuck I want, so here I am making anime merch. So I'll get both these cut and then I'll be right back. Okay, so while that one cuts, I'm just gonna go ahead and start unpicking toga. This process is really boring and takes forever, basically. It's literally the case of you just sit here with this thing, which is called a weeder, and you just go through and pick out any bits that you don't want in the finished product, which is just about as exciting as it sounds. So I'm probably gonna do a cheeky little time lapse for this, just because like I'm literally gonna be here for like half an hour picking out all the little odd bits and bobs, but I'll catch up with you as soon as something exciting happens, I guess. This process is very stoppy starty. It is fun though once you get to see the finished product, and I just poked a hole on my t-shirt in my boob. Brilliant. Yes, hello. It has been quite a while since I filmed those clips. Obviously they were back at my old house and I have moved. We've been here for 2 months now. I'm really thrilled with how they came out. Obviously like they're a little bit tighter than what I would usually wear. I don't normally wear like tight tops. It's just I thought for the sake of the video, why not? Because obviously these are shirts that I want to get more wear out of anyway, so if I make them look cool, that will incentivize me to wear it more. I think out of the two of them, I do actually prefer the toga one, which is weird because I hate having shaped clothing. I've heard from like a lot of people that wearing like stripes this way makes you look a bit weird, which I'm not sure I agree with. I'm not too sure. I think it looks pretty good on me, if I do say so myself. I will be honest, using Cricut vinyl does take a while, but I really recommend it. I've really like gotten the hang of it the last few weeks and I love it. Like using a Cricut is so much fun. When you first get it, it's like you want to hit it in the face, it's so annoying. But after that, you're fine and you can make literally anything. Like right now I'm working on, you can't really see, but a little like, okay, yeah, you can't see. Basically they're Sanrio faces. So we've got Kurumi and my Melody, and I'm working on making them into face masks, which is real cute. But yeah, I've also since then made lots of clothing samples, which I'm hoping to post on my Etsy at some point, or I might even open a separate Depop just to kind of separate everything. But for now, that's everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this very long-awaited video. I believe I started this maybe in August, and it is now the last day in January. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I would love to make more Cricut content, more like crafty content, because This is like my job, this is what I do, this is how I make a living. I make stuff. And yeah, if you have any requests for any clothing or any like manga, anything you'd like to see me create, please leave it in the comments down below and I'll be sure to give it a little gander and maybe give it a go. Who knows? Now I'm going to head out, so I'll see you guys later. Bye.